a very, very quick one. Yeah. I want one bakery, one bread factory along Ebada, Ubomiri here. Now, Kokahia Rochas. Only one bakery no Ebahia Rochas. A popular bakery, no Ebahia Rochas. You know, I decided to come out now to say this thing because many people are there aware. This company has continued to enslave the workers there. They have continued to enslave workers. Okay. For instance, a salesperson, a sales representative, with the driver, they take bread, a case of bread, I distribute bread. 10,000 naira can every month. 10K. 10K. Then I have target. When I target 10 million. Target 70 million. Target 50 million. 40 million. When I target. And most of them are cover the target. Most of them, and I read bread go na low. And I read bread go na low. Bread in go. But unfortunately, this company, come on, Oga AG, 1% here because each bread had only over their bread and one in that Sunday bread. Mondi working is on the driver Bugari bread. 23 naira. Each bread is 23 naira. Nime 1,000, yes. Nime of 1,000 naira. 23 naira again. So calculate here by how many bread, by how many 1,000 in probably by 23 naira by 10 million. Mabruni reach the target again. But at the end of the day, look at here company and company Gazumoto. All that sales rep. Gabiga fuel. Sales rep, tire maybe. Kagiga party tire. Kagiga new tire. Battery and one. Kagiga new battery. You know all about that moto. As a sales rep. Ke basrage. Ebi legi bread. You know my own. Furnish the moto. Equip the car. Let it be moving and taking you to every distribute to bread. So this company now use this thing now. They make the workers enslaved. Now commit fraud. This company now commit fraud, financial enslavement against the workers of this particular bakery. You know, we have gotten reports. Many people have been arrested. They have really here 50. One of them are roll at this company for 11 years. Nothing to show for it. Because at the end of the day, you are target. Roller company moto. Roller company moto. You will pay for it. One of them, one of them. And then the man no when do she rob and the girl was saying no complain wala na this route had him na this route is so lonely ya buy that the hair magide ya buy that dem do she's way 800,000 naira. The girl paid for it. Even when police officers they were in charge of the case and the people were around witnessed the robbery, this girl Roger at that bakery also paid for that 800,000 naira. This company has continued to enslave these people and they put then you are hospital insurance, but they pay for hospital insurance. At the end of the day, Hana target go target again. 2020, 23, 23, na target. Hana mi salary again. Salary at the end of the day, you know, 1,000 naira Kenya salary. Before we complain, again. You know, so this company has continued to enslave people, especially by Hana what shortages. One of the girls here, she na hedgele balance cha account ya. Balance chala account ya. Mbole shile nelu abatule nala. Ya hu 300,000 naira shortage. 300,000 naira shortage yetiwe. Oka account balance now. Ya bago he panelu again. Hey, account again. Okay, our system is the system that is doing it. Our system, okay, correct. Our system, this and that. Mbole shile nelu abatule nala. A balance ya here again. The 300,000 came back. Can you hear? What can you call this kind of thing, my brother? Can you hear business? Eh? You're ritualist. It's a ritual now. This is part of Ogwego. Ritual money. We will not mention your name. And we know why. But because we are preparing something. Something is coming. When we will mention your name, by that time I can know that the best position to call aha onye nwe that bread, gba aha manager ya, gba aha the company, ndị mmadụ amara kpọmkwem. So this company, we are out for you. You must stop enslaving our people. You must stop enslaving young men, young girls, and using police to arrest them and harass them. Police on Abu. Police on Abu. When they jail, in a juju, you make investigation. You don't want to give 5 million. You don't want to give 4 million. You don't want to give this one. When most of them cannot even eat 3 square meals a day. Police in a investigation. That's the problem. We have Nigerian police. You don't do investigations. We are coming up. We are following it up. EFCC is coming into this matter. EFCC is coming into this matter. Thank you.